First of all, congrats on choosing the new SmartCode 270. Kwikset is here to make your lives safer and easier. And I'm here to show you how simple it is to install your new electronic lock on any standard door. And if you're drilling a new door, use our Kwikset template and door prep instructions at kwikset.com/door prep. If you're not drilling a new door, you have to remove your old lock. All locks consist of the deadbolt and the strike. You can remove both with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now you're ready. The installation will only require 5 steps, and all of them can be completed with the same Phillips head screwdriver you use to remove your existing lock. Remember, do not use electric drills. So, let's begin. Step 1 is the latch. Install the deadbolt latch and its bolt in the unlocked position, like this, making sure the up indicator is indicating up. If the rectangular hole here is not centered in the door hole, rotate the latch face to extend the latch and allow the rectangular shape to move into place. You can now attach the latch to your door by using the 2 corresponding screws in box 1 packaged with your SmartCode 270's installation materials. There are 2 extra screws that are longer in case your door is a bit worn and needs extra support. Step 2 is the strike. The latch needs the strike in place to be complete. To install it, use the 2 longest screws in box 2 and have them closest to the door jamb. The shorter screws belong on the other side. Again, if your door's holes are worn out, you can use the extra pair of longer screws for all the holes. Step 3, the exterior. Now attach the exterior keypad. Make sure this cylinder flat blade piece is in a horizontal position, and make sure the cable goes underneath the latch you just installed, like so. If you have a smaller 1.5 inch or 38 millimeter door hole, you won't need the ring around the flat blade piece. You can just recycle it. Next, you're going to use the 2 long mounting screws to secure the mounting plate. The flat blade and the cable that went under the latch will also go through the mounting plate. You'll see the resting place at the bottom of the mounting plate. Keep the plate parallel with the door edge to ensure the top indicator is facing the top of the door. It's time to insert the key and test the latch. If it doesn't extend or retract smoothly, simply adjust the screws. Just make sure to leave the bolt in the extended or locked position to install the interior assembly. Now, rotate the turnpiece so it faces up. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Remove the cover for the interior as well. Connect the cable to the interior. Ensure it's a tight connection. You can route any excess cable stock conveniently around the side notch and bottom of the interior. At this point, you'll see that the flat blade piece can be inserted into the turn piece to complete the interior assembly process. Now, use the mounting screws to attach the interior to the mounting plate you secured earlier. Step 4, the AA batteries. You'll need to keep the door open and the latch in the locked position while inserting the batteries. For best results, use new non-rechargeable alkaline batteries only. Step 5, add your user code. With the batteries in place, you're ready to add your chosen user code. This step is easier than you might think. Start on the interior by pressing the programming button You'll find it on the interior chassis below the battery holder. While programming, if no button is pressed for 5 seconds, the system will time out and you'll need to restart your user code programming process. So keep the following in mind. It's easy to remember anyway. To program, press 1, followed by the check mark, your chosen user code, now that's 4 to 8 digits in length, and then the check mark once again to confirm your user code. Let's do it. This will signal to the bolt that it can test its retracted and extended position to learn the orientation of your door. The keypad display will indicate if the bolt is operating properly based on a green or red response. If red, check your battery placement and interior steps one more time before trying again. If green, you're good to go. From now on, entering your user code unlocks the door. And pressing the lock button locks it. All you need to do now is snap the battery cover into place and you're good to go. That's it. Your new SmartCode 270 is ready to make your life simple and safe. See the Smart Key rekeying instructions packaged with your SmartCode 270 for details on rekeying. For more information, have a look at Kwikset.com.